hate these mortals, and I can't wait till they all die. You're worthless. Why do you keep living? There's nothing good about you. Look at you. That's it. You won't feel a thing. Everything will be over. This is what you want. You mean nothing. Look around you. The world is not going to miss you. You're nothing. Nothing. Go ahead and cry. Now you're in my grasp. I know you want this. Listen to me. Jump. Do this now. You will feel fine. Everything will be okay. It is your time now.
Where are you? Where are you? Demetri. I can see you.
Micah. Why have you brought me here?
This is where you belong.
No. I have more right to be down there than you.
Leave her alone.
She belongs to me.
She belongs to Yahweh.
But in 5 minutes, she will be mine.
Another scalp for the belt. What's the score between you and I, Micah?
I don't keep score. This is not a game.
But it is. Everything here is a game.
These humans made pawns for me to play with.
How I like, and when I like.
Defeated rebel.
Defeated. Have you ever looked around, Micah? If we're losing, who's winning?
The lies, the vanity,
The greed, the corruption, debauchery, the base culture of it all.
the more enlightened they get, the more animalistic they become.
Sinning. Moving deeper and deeper into our clutches. Moving further and further away from God. And the more they move away, the more angry they get with Him. It's hilarious. If I didn't hate them so much, I'd be so proud.
Why do you hate them so much?
They don't know how lucky they are. They always get a second chance. I would love to stay here and talk, but I have work to do.
I hate these humans. They disgust me. Everything about them. Now leave her alone. She's mine. You're worthless. You're ugly. You hate yourself. You're nothing.
My lord will punish you.
No. It will be I that will punish him when he calls time on this rancid earth. And we are declared the victors.
Do you know what I will enjoy the most? When you and your angelic herd fall, I will enjoy you being torn limb from limb, and your eyes burned from your head.
And your spine pulled from your mouth.
Just like your master, you talk too much.
Master, unlike you, I am not a servant. We are all equal. Insolent fool.
You really think Lucifer will share his power with you? It is you who are the poor.
Go away, Micah. No one on this bridge wants you or your God.
No one cares for you. No one loves you. No one will miss you. You have no faith. You have no God. You're nothing. It's over. Embrace it.
I'm gonna send you back to hell. I will smite you, send you back down to the fiery inferno. Burn! Burn! Traitor!
They don't love God. They don't love the world. They don't love each other. What is the point in fighting for them? They hate you. You are nothing to them. I am gonna win.
Jesus. Jesus, if you're there, help me.
Like all the other times, you will turn away from him again.
Not this time. If we are faithless, he remains faithful, for he cannot deny himself. My Lord has spoken. Yahweh.
It's not over. You will turn away from him again.